In today's video, I'll show you how to remove one item per order restriction in WooCommerce. And as an example, let's take a look at the gray sofa product on my site. As you can see, there are 9 units in stock, and currently I've added only one to the cart, right here. But if I try to add one more, I'll be presented with the following error: you cannot add another gray sofa to your cart. So to fix this issue, first we'll log into WordPress admin account, then left side of the screen, hover on products, and then select all products. Now look for the product in question, in my case it's this one, gray sofa, and then select edit. Once the product editor loads, at the top right corner, click on Screen Options, and then set the checkmark for product data. Now scroll a bit down till you find the product data section, and then select Inventory. Under Inventory Settings, uncheck this option, Limit Purchase to 1 item per order. Then scroll all the way to the top, then click on Update. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to your website and try refreshing the product page. Okay, let's take a look. Currently I have 1 unit in my cart. Let's try adding 2 more. And as you can see, I was able to add a total of 3 units to the cart without any issues. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.